Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about 2x everything to the power of 2. Number 12 that is about number 2 multiplied by number 2 multiplied by number 3. This one that is about 3 square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have 2x minus number 3 everything to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x minus number 3. Because we have x, that means we need to find the value of x. So I will put negative number 3 go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one, and we have du equals to number 2 dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. Dx we change for this one. So I will put number 2 go in here. So number 5 over 2 multiplied by u and number 3. So this one we calculate, and that is about 17 over number 2. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one, and we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of 1 over u square, we have negative number 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.